Welcome to the channel. Get ready to learn the difference between commissions and spreads and the importance of Blueprime. Let's go. Alright, so you want to crush it with commodities and spreads, but you're not quite sure exactly how it works, and you're not sure which broker to use. So today we're going to get into it, but before we do that, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research, due diligence, and don't invest in anything you're not willing to lose. To understand spreads, to understand commodities, I would definitely go to Blueprime. Now, why am I saying that? There's a lot of brokers out there, but here there's actually a place to learn. So you can learn about daily technical news, you can learn about the market, economic calculator, all that, but I have a training academy here. Now, what you're going to find is a lot of information about everything you need to know. It's not a good idea necessarily just to jump into trading without any insight. You kind of want to know what you're doing. You kind of want to, start at the level that you're at. And I recommend starting, especially if you're new, at beginner. And what's going to happen there is you'll get an idea on how to trade. You'll get an idea on bonds. You'll get an idea, of all this different stuff. But what you need to understand here is commissions and spreads, and there is information here to find that. Now, how do you do that? Well, you can come and see here market insights, trading, ebooks. People learn differently, so it's going to depend on how you want to learn. So how can you buy a share of Amazon? What's the deviation, an MT5, things like that. You can also come to intermediate right here, and here you'll see the information there. So commissions and spreads, what's it all about? So first of all, you need to understand the basics of trading, but I'm just going to break it down in simple terms. Commission is the execution fee. Spread is the buy and sell price. So you might see different candles, and especially if you watch our videos, you'll see people utilizing different candles, and then they're taking a look and seeing what's the buy and sell difference. So if Bitcoin goes from, let's say, I think it's $85,000 to 83, then we can see buy and sell price is different. So you want to buy it at $83,000, and then maybe you want to sell it at 85, 9 or 90, or whatever it is. Now, to do that, you will need to pay a commission. Well, a commission to who? The broker right here. This is going to be the broker. Now, a broker is somebody who allows you basically to use their platform so you can use day trading. They're giving you access to their trading tool, just like Blueprime here. And it doesn't have to just be crypto. It can be stocks, it can be futures, it can be indices, you can do metal, you can do just common stuff like oil, corn, stuff like that. And the best part about this is you don't have to become an expert. You just have to know those two basic things. That a spread is the difference between buy and sell. So you can see here bullish and bearish, the different gaps between the buy and sell, and a commission is just the fee that brokers matter. So you need to find a good broker. Well, what is a good broker? I would say a good broker is one that teaches you, not just says trade, 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 use my platform. Plenty of people have a platform you can just go and trade. This one will actually give you insights, analysis, and help you get started so you can actually win. Because we want you to win. We want you to understand the candles, we want you to understand the spreads. We want you to have a leg up. And once you get good at it, you can do copy trading, which you can just copy what somebody else is doing with their buy strategy. But if you understand commissions and spreads, which commission is just the broker fee, spread is just the difference between buying and selling, then you can get into more advanced topics. So that's why I think it's important. That's why I think this is a good place to start. Let me know what you think down below. And if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to know when I post more videos. Questions or comments, let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.